What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Rose World. If it ain't tight, it ain't right. Well, y'all, I'm not gonna be here long. I just come to get some fruits for my lemonades, but I just brought y'all along for my vlog. Waiting on my sister to come in. Hey.
What you listening to, baby, over there?
Oh, I forgot who this was. I'm over here checking. It's called On Brand Freestyle something. I don't know, but it sounds good.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am. I gotta hold y'all up there like this because I don't have my tripod, so I'm putting my phone right here.
Yeah, I do. Now I do.
It take her 50,000 hours to get out the car. What, the other side?
The long part so I can put a TV on it.
Oh, over there. I think they'd be over there.
Okay, well, I'm gonna leave this and I'll move back.
How you doing? Hey, how you doing?
Thank you.
Lord, where in the world is she at?
Thank you. They got some Elton John ones over there. I really want to be. What you need? A ride cart? You need a ride chair. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? Why you take that bus up?
Oh, no, I ain't like it on that cold well.
I know.
But it's warm though.
What a hood, what a hood, what a hood. I said, hey, what a hood, what a hood. Hey, what a good it. What a hood, what a hood. I said, what a good it. What a good Hey. Oh, hockey, air hockey. I used to have an air hockey machine. Run free dog treats. I might need to try them out because you know my dogs, they are allergic to just about everything. Yeah. So I just come in here to get some fruit, like I say, for my lemonades. Hey, Mr. Drew. Got their cakes and stuff. What's this? Apple fritters. Whew. Honey, I don't need that. That's too much sweet for me. I better hurt myself. Hey. Ooh, tiramisu. Tuxedo bar cake. Y'all look at that. Tiramisu 12. Hey, Mr. Drew, what they got you in here doing? Got you in here sweating. Hey, hey. Oh, they need some milk. Going back there, doing it, y'all. Somebody buying out in the What's hotter? I know if it's hotter. I got hotter. Like I got this stuff after. I got hotter. Really? How you doing? Really? Two? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. They must have the newer dates on the bottom. Thank you, sir. Hey. Hello. I'm at Sam. Just got here. Where you at? Okay. Alright. Well, I'm just in here getting my fruit. Yeah, I just walked in the door. Ooh, okay, scanning. Oh, okay, thank you, Mom. I'll do that in a little bit. Okay, I use raspberries. Blueberries. Hello? Hey. It's 3001. Kiwis. Boxmeer. Boxmeer. Like Mary. EER. Boxmeer Drive. And tell him it's 28216, I believe. No, 28269. 28269. Yeah, you should see it pop up when you put in the address on left. But tell him to make sure that he tells them not to get on the highway, to go straight up Statesville, because what they'll do is get on the highway, go up one way, and then come back down. I don't know why they got it like that. Yeah, but just tell him to go straight up Statesville, cross the bridge, and turn right behind the gas station. Right. Yeah, it is. It's right across the street from Bojangles. You know what Bojangles is on Statesville? Right up there. Yep. Yeah, I'm trying to see what she's saying about Little Carlos too. Okay. Okay, babe, and tell him he got to have, I don't know if he told you or not, but he got to have some black shoes. Like tomorrow. Black shoes. He ain't got to have no boots or nothing, just black shoes, because that's their decor. I mean, well, that's their dress code, black shoes. Okay. And I think he got to wear black pants too. Yeah. And that's it. They'll give him his shirt. Or they may just give him the whole uniform. I'm not sure how it go, but I know for sure he gonna need black shoes. Okay. Well, all right then, darling. All right. Love you too. Tell them.
No, tío, lo que tienes que hacer es acabar.
Okay. And know what they happen. I got option. Uh-oh, excuse me. Where are you going? Yeah, so these are the fruits that I make my lemonades out of. Fresh fruit, lemonade, grapes, kiwi, raspberry, blueberry. Did I get some blackberry? No. Blackberry make you go to the bathroom. I did. Oh, here. Blackberry. Hey, what's happening? I don't know what just happened. I got option. That option. Hey. Yeah. So until May calls me and tells me that she's ready and she got everything she needs, I'm just gonna be looking around. Oh, these feel so good. These are soft, cozy wool blankets. That's nice. What they got? Oh, these are blanket wraps. Okay. It's nice. And I gotta find me a onesie, y'all. What's this? Oh, that's cuter. Hey, got an option. There's option. Trying to turn around. I'm trying to turn around. Oh, your face told everything.
I know.
Okay.
It's like
Go ahead, sir. You good. Yeah, I think I'm good. I think I'm gonna go check out. Yeah. Hello, how you doing? Caramel cheese mix. Okay. Better go check out in a minute. Yeah, guys, I'm ready. I was on up to the front. I come in here to get what I said I was coming to get. No more, no less. Yup. So, let me find me a self-checkout and go through it. This will be this one over here. Alright guys, let me get this stuff checked out and we'll be later.